now we will see what are the different methods of projection in engineering graphics. Okay, in the drawing you can see methods of projections. Methods of projections. This, there are 4 different quadrants. So depending upon the quadrant which we are considering for that projection method, the name will be like this. The object is kept in the first quadrant. The method of projection is said to be first angle method of projection. When it will be kept in the second, third or fourth, accordingly the name of method of projection will be likewise. Okay, so there are for 3-dimensional objects only first and third quadrants we are going to use, but in case of position of point, all the 4 quadrants we can use, means point can play its role in all the 4 quadrants. So accordingly, for that, first of all we should create quadrant system. We learn what is the quadrant system. We create all the 4 quadrants. So this is the quadrant system. Suppose this is first quadrant. Actually, behind this vertical plane will be second quadrant. Third will be here, and fourth will be here. In this way. How you decided that this is the first quadrant? The arrowhead will be kept in this way. Then the arrowhead will be like this, left hand arrow. So naturally, this quadrant is said to be first quadrant. Behind this second quadrant, third quadrant is here, fourth quadrant is here. The quadrant system, how it is formed? Due to intersection of planes. We will see. This plane is vertical. This one is horizontal. This is also horizontal. This is also vertical. Okay. So due to intersection of this vertical plane with horizontal plane, this thing, this portion, this space is nothing but the first quadrant. Just behind this, second quadrant is there, behind vertical plane, above horizontal plane. In case of first quadrant, it is in front of vertical plane, above horizontal plane. In case of third quadrant, it is behind vertical plane, below horizontal plane. Here, in front of vertical plane, below horizontal plane. Likewise, just you go on writing there. First quadrant, so one should write here. First quadrant means above HP in front of you. The object is kept here. In first quadrant, it is called as first angle method of projection. So how it will be kept? Above horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. This is nothing but positioning of the object above horizontal plane, in front of vertical plane. It is nothing but the object is kept in the first quadrant. That is, such kind of method of projection it is called as first angle method of projection, as because object will be kept in the first quadrant. Suppose the same object is kept behind vertical plane, above horizontal plane. What is the narration? Behind vertical plane and above horizontal plane. This is second quadrant. And the object, it may be point, it may be three-dimensional object. And it is kept above horizontal plane and its positioning will be above horizontal plane behind vertical plane. The method of position is set to a second angle method of position and location will be behind will be above it. It may be point, line, plane, solid, whatever it may be. Okay, second angle method of position, it is kept here. Okay, third, this is the third quadrant. How it is found? Vertical plane, horizontal plane is here. So object when we are going to put in the third quadrant, it is said to be, how it should be narrated? The object is kept behind vertical plane, below horizontal plane. Below horizontal plane and behind vertical. So such kind of method of position when the object is kept in the third quadrant role. So it is called as, it is termed, it is known as third angle method of projection. When the object, it may be point, it may be line, or it may be 3D object, and it is kept behind vertical plane, below horizontal plane, the method of projection which we should implement is nothing but third angle method of projection. And ultimately, when the object is kept in front of vertical plane and below horizontal plane, here you have to write in front of vertical plane and below horizontal plane. Such kind of positioning is said to be object is kept in fourth quadrant, that is in front of vertical plane and below horizontal plane. Okay. Now here yes, is all about the quadrant system. Now for three-dimensional object, only we should use first quadrant and second quadrant. We can't use at all second quadrant and fourth quadrant for projection method of three-dimensional objects. Only point we can place anywhere in any quadrant. It can run anywhere. It can be placed anywhere. Only I am talking about point, projection of point. First angle method, second angle method, third angle or fourth angle method of projection we can very successfully implement in case of projection of point only. But in case of projection of three-dimensional object, only we are going to use first angle method of projection and third angle method of projection. Means 3D object may be kept in the first quadrant or it may be kept in the third quadrant. We cannot put it in second and fourth quadrant. Why? We'll see later on. Just now you can't digest it. Okay. This is all about the quadrant system. So first angle method of projection means object will be kept in the first quadrant. Second angle method of projection, object will be kept in the second quadrant. Third angle, third quadrant, and last fourth angle method of projection is fourth quadrant will be used for placing that object. It may be point or it may be 3D object, whatever it may be. Now I will erase this maybe. So we have seen this is the first quadrant. This one is second. This one is third. This one is fourth. We just will see the first angle method of projection. Which is applicable for 3D objects as well as single dimensional, that is point we can use. Okay, first angle method of projection means the object, it will be point on 3D object we are going to place in this quadrant. So the quadrant how you should form, just I will tell you. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this plane, which I have shown by or drawn by pink chalk, it is nothing but profile plane. Vertical plane is horizontal plane to profile plane. All these three planes have formed this first quadrant. And as this is vertical plane, naturally the arrow of observation will be like this. Means observer will observe the object in this direction in order to construct its front image. Okay, its front image. Yes. So different lines are formed here. And also I will tell you what you have to do next. Just you have to extend this line in this direction as well as in this direction. This line is called as horizontal reference line XOY. Is called as HRL or horizontal reference line. Similarly, this pink line you extend it down. Similarly, extend it down. This line I will name it as X1O Y1, which is called as vertical reference line. So how this HRL is created? HRL is created, HRL is formed due to intersection of vertical plane with horizontal plane, horizontal reference line. Okay, similarly, VRL is created due to intersection of profile plane with vertical plane. So about these lines, HRL and VRL only, we are going to tilt the respective profile plane or horizontal plane. That will see. Okay, by solving the problems. So this is all about HRL and VRL. Huh? Okay. Suppose we are going to put simple object, that is point in the space. A 3D object we can create, no problem. First of all, we will see about the point. Okay, suppose point is here, somewhere here in the space. I will be able to show also. What I will do, we will cut this object, that is quadrant, and how to simplify this quadrant, that I will show you. Just you have to rotate for first angle method of position. What you have to do, I will tell you. This profile plane you have to rotate in this direction, and horizontal plane in this direction. Okay, means what? Profile plane will turn through 90 degrees in this direction, and through 90 degrees HP will come over here. So after solving, after cutting, how it will yield us? This blue line, as usual, it will illustrate. It will show us HRL, horizontal reference line HRL, X, Y. Okay, I will name it as somewhere here. This one, and vertical reference line will be like this. X1 O Y1 is VRL, vertical reference line, and XOY is horizontal reference line, HR. Okay, now what is happened here? Just you see, vertical plane will remain vertical, and HP we are tilting horizontal plane through 90 degrees in downward direction. So HP will be in downward direction. Similarly, profile plane in that direction. So profile plane will be on the left side and HP will be on the lower side. So naturally, how to show, I will tell you. This profile plane will come over here, and vertical plane. This is shown 3-dimensionally. We are converting into 2-dimensional. Means what? All the 3 planes will be now single plane for the sake of projectioning. Yes. See here, vertical plane is vertical. This plane is vertical. Horizontal plane, earlier it was like this, or that quadrant. That we have tilted to 90 degrees in downward direction. So this is horizontal. And profile plane, it was also here. Means the kind of quadrant was like this: vertical plane, horizontal plane, and this profile plane. What I have done? We have cut all the 3 corners and we have tilted all the 3 planes here. Vertical, it is retained here. Only horizontal tilted through 90 degrees. It will come over here, just below this HRL, and profile plane will be tilted through 90 degrees in this way. So naturally VP will be here, HP will be here, and profile plane will be here. This is profile plane. So this vertical plane, for what purpose it is used? For front view images that one should keep in mind. We'll see while solving the problems. In the direction of X, suppose any object is kept here. Any object. You are observing this direction, okay, or focusing a torch in this direction. So shadow of that object will be created just behind this, like this. Any kind of shadow. This is nothing but front view image. And the same you are going to observe from top. Its top view image will be created. This is front view image. Top view image will be created naturally after focusing a torch over the object. The shadow will be created just behind this, that too over this horizontal plane. So this view which we are going to get over HP, it is said to be top view. So naturally left hand was busy for construction of front view. So right hand side view is the expected profile view. Now ultimately we have constructed front view here in the direction of X, front view, from top view, and from your right hand now you have to observe the same object and create its view here in order to construct its right hand side image, RHS. Right hand side image. Front view image, top view image, and right hand side image. After tilting, after cutting all this quadrant, what will happen here? Vertical plane is here. So natural vertical plane is made for front view image. You are going to get front view image here. HP is here. You are tilting HP in this way, in downward direction. You are observing from top. Same top view image will be just below this X value. So top view image will be, and ultimately profile plane will yield us right hand side image that on left of the front view. Right hand side image. Shape and size doesn't matter. Whatever it may be point, it may be line, it may be solid, it may be plane, whatever it may be. But the location we have to learn, that is, we have to see, we have to keep in mind, front view will be here in the direction of X, front view. From top view over HP, we have tilted in this way, and right hand side in this way. Left of the front on profile plane. So HRL is nothing but XOY, horizontal reference line, which is created due to intersection of vertical plane with horizontal plane. About HRL, that is hinge only, we have tilted this HP in downward direction. Similarly, PRL is nothing but vertical reference line, hinge is provided here, earlier the profile plane. All the time it will be like this. For our sake of construction, we are tilting in this way through 90 degrees so that VP will be here on the left side of the VP, HP will be just below VP. Vertical plane is made for front view image, horizontal plane is made for top view image, and naturally profile plane is used for construction of its end view, or it is called as side views. That too we are observing from, in this case, right hand side. That's why right hand side we have drawn here on the left of the front view in case of first angle method of projection. This is all about first angle method of projection. Object, it may be point, line, plane, or solid, whatever it may be, doesn't matter. But method of projection is like this for first angle method of projection.